Okay, so I have a lot of skin issues involving kind of like a rosacea, discoloration, pigmentation. As you can see, this lighting is kind of on point, so it's a little difficult, but you can see it in my hands. They literally turn red or purple, and I have the same issue with my skin. I have lines and wrinkles, although I get some work done to try to fix that. But today I'm going to be using Qure, which is a brand that I am obsessed with now, and they send you an at-home micro needling kit. So you take their serums, you fill the cap up to about halfway. I think I did a little bit more. And right now I am using the rejuvenating mixed with the hydrating serum. And you take the 24 karat gold needle tip head and screw it on. I probably should try to see what it would do for my hands since it can replenish the skin. But I am excited to show you the 1 month results since I've already done one full 2-week session of it. You do it twice a month. Once you have filled your bottle, you want to let it sit upside down like this so that the serum can leak into the 24 karat gold needle area, because that is the part that you will be pressing into your skin and allowing the liquid to be absorbed into the surface layer of your skin. It helps to promote collagen growth, so new cell growth, hydration. It helps with pores, fine lines, and discoloration and pigmentation, which is really what I'm after because it's my biggest issue. I'm actually going to probably do a video showing what it can do for my hands, because I mean the color difference from here to my hands is kind of ridiculous, and I think I look just absolutely amazing in their very fancy Qure headpiece. So now that this is sat like this, we start the pressing process, which you want to go down like this, and you go out, 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 up, out, out, around, and such. And you can also do the same thing this way. So the way that it works is you flip it back up, you take off the head, which is now ready to go and primed with the liquid. Anyway, the best way to do this is to start by pressing into the skin like so, and even angling your head if you need to have better access to the actual liquid itself. You want to go about halfway over each mark that you make, like so, to make sure that you get the full amount into the skin. So I have already started on one side, and now I am starting on the other. As you can see, I am already red, which is nothing new for me. But the goal is to, there's no blood of course, the goal is to press these needles into the skin to get the liquid inside as best as possible. You can see better now where the holes were. And that might mean tilting your head to allow better access for the actual liquid. The other thing is that you do not want to touch the area that you have just poked. And you want to keep going over until you have covered that area. You can literally see where I have missed here. So this is the end result. I look a little beat up. but that is because I have insanely sensitive skin. So we will see the results tomorrow. So here is the before and after videos so that you can see. This is after